Okay, hello everyone. My name is Yijian. This is my teammate Viola. Today we are going to present our final project, EcoInsight Detector. So earnings calls transcript is the gold mine of information for investors. Equity analysts need to follow every major earnings calls for their companies they covered. However, due to the huge volume, manual transcript analysis is really time consuming. So for us, our goal is to use GPT-4 model to help analysts do that, to analyze that transcript. So we're going to use GPT to summarize the transcripts and extract insights from those summaries.
Now I'm going to talk about the model's architecture. So the first part is the text summarizer, which summarizes the text into some summaries. So the input here are the individual call transcript, and then we'll leverage the prompt to extract the key information regarding, for example, financial performance, strategies, and discussions. And then the output will be one summary for each transcript for that period. And then we're going to run it for different time periods. For example, we run from Q1 to 2022 to Q2 2023. And then those are a pile of summaries of that one company. And then it will be the input for the next model, which is the insight generator. So for insight generator, we leverage the prompt to extract the insights regarding, for example, like emerging trends, challenges faced, technical advancement, investment sentiments, and so on. And then we will having one output, which is one insight for one company over different time periods.
So all the data are getting from the source financial modeling prep API, and we acquired 9 major companies in 3 sectors: technology, financial services, and healthcare. The time frame is from 2018 to 2020, and all the data are structured as the CSV file with all the key details shown on the right. So the data pre-processing, we first removed all the operator conversations from the content to only focus on the management team discussion. And then we removed all the names, phatic expressions, and other irrelevant phrases. This aims to retain crucial information, but at the same time, we want to decrease the GPT-4 cost and increase efficiency. And after we get the summaries for all the transcripts over the time frame, we want to aggregate together to a JSON format to pass to the insight generator. The goal for this one is I want to maintain the chronological context for insight generation.
Next, I'm going to talk about the quantitative and qualitative results. So for this part is the evaluation for the first part of the model, which is the text summarizer. We leverage the BERT score, which, for example, we have one summary for one Q1 2020, and then we research online to find multiple analysis reports from some financial websites like Yahoo Finance, RBI for that quarter, and then we compare the average BERT score of the summary and the analysis report. So eventually we'll have one BERT score for each company, and then we have an average score across different companies, which is 0.79 in this case. And then for the evaluation for the next part, which is the model insight generator. So for this part, we found 3 financial analysts to help us design a rubric which has 4 aspects, including accuracy, relevance, depth of analysis, and actionability. And for each aspect, we assign score 0 or 1, and then the overall will be the sum of the scores above, which is 0 to 4. And then, so we initially asked the financial analysts to help us rate the insights according to rubric, but we found that there are too much work for human to do, so we actually feed the rubric into the GPT to ask GPT to help us to evaluate it. And then we will have a score table for each and then we have one score for each company, and then overall score, which is the average evaluation score. In this case, is 3.8 for our model.
Yeah, here are some good examples of our insight generator. The first one tells us like a business strategy transition for Apple, which because of the growth in service revenue, it's like a strategy change, which is really insightful. Second one said that the model can compare the financial performance between quarters, and which is really good. And third one, which tells us that the customer behavior changed due to pandemic, didn't switch back after the pandemic end, which was something really valuable for us to like analyze that customers' transcript. And the last one, which is like a new investment made by a healthcare company focusing on digital health and medical technology innovation, which is also insightful for a stock analysis. And we found that all of the results align with the global context, which is good. And second one, we found that they can get the numerical trend representations pretty accurately, which is another surprising aspect. Also, we found that many insights are getting based on the chronological context, which is something we expected at the beginning. However, we found that all of the insights are fact-based, and which means they pertain to factual real-world events, and few predictions has been made. So one of the opportunities for our project is to integrate a predictive prompt to generate insights to make predictions or forecasting, and also we can include a broader data set, for example, the market performance metrics, competitor analysis, etc., to make the insights generated more insightful. Yeah, that's all the license we learned. Thank you.